Recent analysis from investment firm Goldman Sachs looked at the global impact and found AI could replace 300 million full-time jobs.
Greetings, curious minds. Today we embark on a journey into the heart of a debate that's igniting discussions around the world. The profound influence of AI technologies, exemplified by the enigmatic ChatGPT, on the ever-evolving job landscape. Buckle up as we navigate the twists and turns of this complex issue, unraveling the web of possibilities and pondering the implications that lie ahead. In a realm where lines between science fiction and reality blur, questions abound. Can machines truly encroach upon human livelihoods? Could our workplaces be reshaped by the digital denizens that we've conjured? Now let's get started with the advantages of AI in the workplace. AI technologies such as ChatGPT can undoubtedly be valuable tools in various job roles, offering a range of advantages that enhance workplace efficiency and productivity. Let's take a closer look at some of these benefits. ChatGPT can swiftly generate content, draft emails, or provide immediate answers to routine questions, freeing up valuable time for employees to focus on more complex and creative tasks. With AI assistance, mundane and repetitive tasks can be automated, boosting overall productivity in the workplace. ChatGPT's language capabilities allow it to assist in translating text between languages, making it a valuable asset in multinational companies and facilitating communication with international clients. For businesses with diverse language needs, AI language models can bridge the communication gap and promote better collaboration. AI can process vast amounts of data quickly, providing insights and analysis that aid in making informed decisions for businesses. AI-powered algorithms can identify patterns, trends, and correlations in data that may otherwise go unnoticed, empowering organizations to optimize their strategies. ChatGPT can be integrated into customer service platforms, providing instant responses and support to customers' inquiries, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience. AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT can handle routine customer interactions, reducing response times and improving customer satisfaction. While AI may displace some jobs, it also has the potential to create new ones. As AI technology evolves, new job opportunities in AI development, data analysis, and AI ethics emerge. The demand for skilled AI experts and those capable of working alongside AI is on the rise, opening doors for novel career paths. Let's go on to understanding the limitations of AI. As much as AI has advanced in recent years, it is essential to recognize its limitations and potential downsides. AI, including ChatGPT, lacks common sense and may sometimes provide inaccurate or inappropriate responses, especially in nuanced or sensitive situations. Human oversight is crucial to avoid potential errors and ensure responsible AI deployment. Moreover, ethical considerations and fairness are paramount when it comes to AI technologies. Ensuring AI's fair and unbiased use, along with responsible decision-making, is crucial to maintaining trust and minimizing potential harm. Transparent AI development and deployment will be key to navigating the complexities of AI-driven job disruptions. One of the most significant concerns surrounding AI technologies is their potential impact on human jobs. While AI can undoubtedly enhance productivity and streamline operations, there is fear that it may also lead to some job roles becoming obsolete. However, history has shown that technological advancements often lead to the transformation of job roles rather than outright elimination. While some jobs may disappear, new ones will emerge to complement the capabilities of AI. Nevertheless, the shift in job requirements emphasizes the importance of reskilling and upskilling the workforce. The ideal approach to incorporating AI into the workplace is one that emphasizes human-AI collaboration. Instead of viewing AI as a replacement for human workers, organizations should leverage AI as a complementary tool to enhance human capabilities. The combination of human creativity, empathy, and critical thinking with AI's processing power and efficiency can lead to innovative solutions to complex problems, encouraging a culture of collaboration and providing opportunities for employees to work alongside AI will drive meaningful advancements in various industries. As AI becomes more prevalent, the need for continuous learning and reskilling becomes imperative. Workers must adapt to new roles and acquire skills that complement AI's capabilities. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses all play a crucial role in supporting reskilling and upskilling initiatives, investing in educational programs, and offering training opportunities that focus on AI technologies. Data analysis, programming, and critical thinking will prepare the workforce for the AI-driven economy. This will not only enable individuals to remain employable, but also help businesses leverage AI to its fullest potential. Ethical considerations are central to the responsible integration of AI technologies into the workplace. The development and deployment of AI systems must prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability. Addressing bias and ensuring that AI algorithms do not perpetuate discrimination are essential steps towards a more inclusive and equitable future. Additionally, establishing guidelines for the responsible use of AI technologies will help maintain public trust and acceptance. Collaborative efforts between policymakers, AI developers, and businesses can establish ethical frameworks that guide AI development and deployment. Incorporating diversity and inclusivity in AI development is essential to avoid biased outcomes. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if the data uses bias, it can perpetuate stereotypes and discriminatory practices. Diverse teams working on AI projects can help identify and mitigate potential biases in the development process. Furthermore, AI developers and organizations must consider the ethical implications of their AI applications. Ensuring that AI systems do not discriminate based on race, gender, or other characteristics is crucial for building a fair and just society. As AI becomes more ubiquitous, the need for responsible AI governance becomes evident. Governments and regulatory bodies must collaborate with AI developers and industry stakeholders to establish guidelines and regulations for AI use. Responsible AI governance should address issues related to data privacy, security, transparency, and accountability. Striking the right balance between promoting innovation and protecting the rights and well-being of individuals is a challenging but necessary task. Incorporating AI ethics education into academic curricula and workplace training programs is essential to prepare the workforce for an AI-driven world. AI ethics education should focus on understanding the potential risks and benefits of AI, promoting ethical decision-making, and cultivating a culture of responsible AI use. Moreover, AI developers and engineers should be equipped with the knowledge and tools to design AI systems that align with ethical principles and societal values. Integrating ethics into the design and development process will contribute to building AI technologies that have a positive impact on society. Rather than viewing AI as a competitor, individuals and organizations should embrace collaboration between humans and AI. AI technologies can augment human capabilities, leading to greater productivity and innovation. For example, in medical fields, AI can assist healthcare professionals in diagnosing diseases more accurately and efficiently. In creative industries, AI can aid artists in generating new ideas and enhancing their artistic expression. By fostering an environment of collaboration, organizations can harness the unique strengths of both humans and AI, leading to groundbreaking solutions that benefit society as a whole. As we look to the future of work, it is evident that AI technologies will continue to play a significant role in shaping the job market. The continued advancement of AI will likely lead to a creation of new job roles that we cannot yet envision. However, it is essential to approach this transition with a human-centric mindset. Prioritizing the well-being of workers and providing adequate support for reskilling and upskilling will be crucial in ensuring a smooth and equitable transition. In addition to upskilling the existing workforce, education systems must prepare the next generation for a world where AI is ubiquitous. Equipping students with a strong foundation in STEM subjects and AI ethics will be essential in preparing them for the challenges and opportunities of the AI-driven future. Creating a sustainable and inclusive future of work in the age of AI requires collaboration between governments, businesses, educational institutions, and other stakeholders. Government policies should be designed to foster innovation while also ensuring that the benefits of AI are distributed equitably across society. Businesses must take the lead in adopting responsible AI practices and promoting diversity and inclusivity in their AI development process. By prioritizing ethical considerations, businesses can build trust with consumers and stakeholders and contribute to a positive perception of AI technologies. In conclusion, AI technologies such as ChatGPT can bring numerous advantages to the job market, enhancing productivity, enabling better communication, and providing valuable insights for decision-making. However, it's essential to be aware of AI's limitations, ethical considerations, and potential impact on human jobs. Balancing human-AI collaboration, investing in reskilling and upskilling, promoting diversity in AI development, and emphasizing responsible AI governance are crucial steps towards a sustainable and inclusive future of work. By embracing the power of AI responsibly and working together, we can navigate the evolving job landscape and harness AI's full potential for the betterment of society. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know your thoughts on AI and its impact on jobs in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the power of technology responsibly.